Here I've got Huawei MediaPad T5 and let me show you how to perform a virus scan on the following device. So at first let's open the tablet manager and then click on virus scan, which is here. Give your device a sec and it will automatically scan your device and check if there are any viruses. So click on finish because as you can see this one is secure. And now you can perform this virus scan whenever you need to, whenever you think that there might be something wrong with your device, then your tablet will automatically scan itself and tell you if there are some viruses to delete. So this is how you can use virus scan on your Huawei MediaPad T5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.